Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a powerful method for gathering email leads completely for free using Etsy sales and social media. And we'll take it a step further by focusing on a really specific niche market, realtors. We're talking about creating products that real estate agents will want to buy as closing gifts for their clients. Think custom address signs, mailbox posts, or even fire pits. Now, why target realtors specifically? Well, finding a niche, one small, very specific group, can make your marketing efforts way more effective. You can stand out as the go-to person for exactly what they need. When you focus on a small niche like this, you can really speak to their needs, understand their pain points, and show them how your products will add value for their clients. So let's dive into how you can set this up. First, we'll use Etsy as a starting point. By listing custom products like address signs or mailbox posts tailored specifically for real estate agents, you have the perfect opportunity to capture leads from your buyers. When a realtor buys one of your products on Etsy, that's a lead. You can offer them the option to opt into your email list to receive updates on similar custom products. Etsy doesn't allow you to directly collect email addresses, but you can ask buyers to subscribe to your list after their purchase by including a note in the packaging or sending a follow-up message. Now let's talk about social media. This is where you can really get strategic about finding your ideal avatar. In this case, realtors. You want to figure out where they're already spending their time online. Think about LinkedIn groups, real estate Facebook groups, or even Instagram, where realtors are actively promoting their services and properties. Join these groups, engage with posts, and share valuable insights. Don't just sell, provide value. For example, you could create posts about how thoughtful gifts like custom address signs make a memorable impression and enhance the client experience. Realtors are always looking for ways to stand out and strengthen relationships with their clients. Position your product as the solution they didn't know they needed. And here's where the power of niching down comes in. By focusing on realtors specifically, you don't have to market to everyone. You're just fishing in the right pond. You're creating products and content that speaks directly to their unique needs, and that's what will help you stand out in their minds. Here's another tip. Offer a lead magnet specifically for real estate agents. Create a downloadable PDF like a top 10 gifts your clients will love guide and make it available on your website or through social media. This is a way to add value to realtors' businesses while capturing their email addresses. Once they download this guide, you have their contact information and you can continue sending them valuable content, product updates, and exclusive offers tailored to real estate professionals. So let's recap. You're using Etsy sales as an entry point, social media to find and engage with realtors, and a lead magnet to bring them onto your email list. This approach allows you to build a list of potential buyers who are interested in your products and will see you as the go-to person for custom closing gifts. Finding your niche and focusing on a small, specific market is one of the most effective ways to grow your business. So go ahead, start targeting those realtors and create products that add real value for them and their clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your creative business.